You're still involved.
That's just me.
Yeah, no, it's just you. You're only emboldened when you got the cards. I know how you play. You're a poker player. I know that. Sterling Booker.
This is one with Langston Judge where he told me he'd be out.
Yeah, he's out, but he's trying to work things out. Okay, we're gonna reset this, man. Okay, but stay with, I think Langston, your attorney, he's trying to, I think, see if things can move, but if they don't, it'll be reset, okay? Then Arias Wilson,
That's
Right.
what's right.
Kenwood. Arias.
My witness from the
Tell me.
store, yeah. Right,
That's fine.
right.
Nice go person.
So is it something we want to work out? My witness from the store says she is set for pre-op today and surgery
Okay,
tomorrow.
well, but this would be the 10th one, and it's not gonna go, so. See if something can be done, but it's step 10. Yeah. Tiana Baker. Tiana Baker. Do you have any others? Right. Let's see. Tiana Baker.
Yes.
Mr. Capitan.
Good morning,
There you
Judge.
go.
How are you? I apologize.
Have you talked to your attorney yet? All for that? It's titled law, right?
No, I haven't. No time.
I don't have that in. When did you do that?
2 months ago.
Who was it?
I just talked to him and
You don't remember?
I know
You
it's-
hired the guy
I'm sorry.
or the lady.
Oh,
You want me to play the Jeopardy theme here? That puts you, that gives you pressure.
Your local lawyers?
Is it local?
he was just talking to you.
Tall, short,
guy?
Yes.
Bald head?
No, you don't.
overweight, underweight? I didn't narrow that one down at all, did I?
Sent me emails.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just talking to him.
Oh, we were just talking. But he said,
But
Hey, thanks, my bad. Thanks to now.
oh, yeah, he's bald head. I said, the bald head dude, you said no.
he's walking around. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, he'll be back.
We'll find him.
Isaiah Murchison, John.
Judge, look the worst one.
Did you write it all right?
See, maybe it's back up.
What's the crime?
It's out.
What degree is it?
It's a very great. Is that not great?
Yes.
So what have you done?
We're gonna ask, request a reset on this case. Judge.
Reset. Y'all see what y'all do?
Yes.
Desmond Lindbergh?
Jimmy.
We have to be.
Wow, these things go with the fast. Give them something to do. Busy.
They're on.
We have to judge.
It's gonna be a trial, though, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's what I'm in trial. Frederick Wills, okay, John with Frederick Wills, burglary of a door.
Judge, there's been an overlay on this. I'm not sure if it's.
If you know.
Yeah.
Get you reset now?
Where's Frederick? Frederick Wills once. Frederick Wills twice.
Out here.
So.
No answer. I ask the bailiff to call into the hall for Frederick Wills, please, and cause number 25 CR 987. You're right, making bets on the phone there.
Yeah, yes.
40. No response to that name called into the hall. No response to the name. Called clearing the full the defendant has failed to appear. Warrant shall be issued. Or his or was failure to appear. His bond was her support letter to herself. Did you have one? No. Did you need? It says defensive.
So it's email to your.
You didn't get there where she said she doesn't want to do probation? Supposed to have time to get it over with. You don't want to do probation? Well, she said.
But is she,
Yeah. Yeah, 12 months must you.
All right, we now call two cases. Clause numbers 21-36529 and 21-36760. The state of Texas, is it Averiana? Beverly. A lot of syllables in there. And you were charged with burglary of a building and theft. And each of these cases. Well, hold on. You're on probation on each of these, right? And so we have first amended motions to revoke probation that have been filed in each of these cases. The defendant pleaded true last month to allegation 1 and allegation 2 in each case of the first amended motions to revoke probation. That is committing the offense of unlawful carrying of a possession, carrying a weapon, lawful carrying of a weapon on or about August 5th of last year. And also on that day, committing the offense of illegal possession of a controlled substance on or about August 5th, 2025. Each of those are violations of probation. Actually, condition 1, don't commit a crime.
True. No.
What? You kind of read probable cause, David, which is unreasonable, unreadable. It's unreadable.
The new one?
Well, the one is related to this August 5th incident. And the controlled substance, I can't, what is this?
Is that a better copy? Or you got the same guy? No. Yeah, mine's a little bigger.
Can't read it. What is the drug? I can't.
There were several. There was.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drugs.
Yes.
Let's see oxycodone in here. Marijuana. Methazine.
Yeah, I think the one you were looking at was the December of 2025. That's the one I forwarded.
No, I got August 5th,
Well, that's one I just gave it.
which is what we're talking.
Yes, sir.
Earlier, the defendant entered pleas of truth to 2 first amended motions to revoke probation. The defendant is looking at a state jail felony, punished as though it were a 3rd-degree felony, correct?
No.
No, it's
Just
state jail.
It's just state jail. We got a cap for 1 year
Okay. Okay.
or 12 months. But I need to.
Okay. Go ahead. State first and last.
Judge, I think I'll be looking at her history and looking at the updated pre-sentence report. We've done everything we can to try to get her on the right track, and she just keeps committing crimes. So we'd ask for the 1 year state jail.
State and defense.
Your Honor, as you look at Miss Beverly, she's a young lady. Probably has some growing up to do. Especially from her response to the probation department. In reference not seeing the big picture on this. The only saving grace on this judge
Right.
is that if she goes to the state jail, maybe she'll see the light of day and be able to get help in the state jail. Safe P would be an option for her when she's incarcerated. When she gets there and sees the environment and people there, she may have a change of heart. It is my understanding that probation has offered everything that they can to her, but she wants to, but doesn't want to take advantage.
Let me ask you, how much is still remaining on restitution? If any, there was $6,000 originally.
Between the two cases, I think it was 8,500.
Full balances, but
Sir? It hasn't, none of it has been paid?
no, sir.
So you got 6,000 in one case and then 2,500 in the other.
Judge, did she keeps committing other
I
crimes?
know.
It's not like she's paying off the restitution. What am I supposed to do? Just say, well, do it.
I'm asking you.
I understand.
Does that factor in? She's got 121 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
What do you have to say, if anything? Nothing? I'm sorry, I can't.
I do have something to say.
I can't hear you, sweetheart.
Speak up.
I did make payments in my restitution.
Did you?
In
That's not what we're showing though. Well, probation would know. I'm not seeing any, but
the other,
has he paid? She's not paid any on restitution in these two cases?
Looks like none of it has went towards restitution.
None of it. I guess you're paying fees or something. It goes there, but it's not going to restitution.
it's doing the best I could to pay the restitution.
Ma'am,
I was doing the best I could to pay the restitution. Sure, all right.
from probation, anything you want to add?
No, sir, with the 13 new alleged offenses, it's revocation. It's the best thing I would say.
Yeah. 13 new. Mhm. It's tough.
Well, that's what I'm saying, Jim, maybe when she gets there, these programs that are offered there, you can take advantage of it. But we straighten out, before she gets out.
With all these cases coming down the pipe, I don't know. They're gonna have a bunch of them, but she's gonna have to pay for all those and do that.
If nothing further, I'm going to find that there is sufficient evidence supporting these first amended motions to revoke probation. Well, first of all, the pre-sentence reports are made a part of the record in each of these two cases without objection. And in each of these first amended motions to revoke unadjudicated probation, the defendant has pleaded guilty or proved allegations 1 and 2 voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and based upon discussions with her attorney. And that is enough to grant these first amended motions to revoke unadjudicated probation by preponderance of the evidence or greater, as I find allegations 1 and 2 in each of these cases to be true. Thus, your deferred or unadjudicated probations in each of these cases are hereby revoked. Earlier in these cases, you pleaded guilty to each of these state jail felonies voluntarily. When I placed you on probation, you were mentally confident to do so. You understood and appreciated the consequences of pleading guilty. There was sufficient evidence supporting your guilty pleas from State's Exhibit 1 admitted to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in each of these two cases. And you were hereby sentenced. The cap was 1 year, I believe, in the agreement. You are hereby sentenced to a confinement in the state jail for a term of 1 year. You will be given credit for time you've served, which looks like it's about 4 months. Also, the judgments in each of these cases shall reflect that restitution in the amount of $6,000 is part of the judgment in 21-36529 and $2,500 restitution will be part of the judgment, and 21-36760 to be paid to the complainants in each of those two cases. They are named in the indictment in each of these cases. Anything else? Thank you, Sam.
Everything's good.
Yeah.
What begins as a routine court session quickly turns into a revealing look at the justice system in action. As multiple defendants appear before the court, Judge Simpson carefully reviews each case, balancing patience with accountability. One defendant faces the consequences of repeated probation violations, unpaid restitution, and a growing list of new criminal charges. Despite previous opportunities to change course, the court finds that the pattern of offending continues. In the end, the judge revokes probation and orders a 1-year state jail sentence, reminding everyone in the courtroom that second chances come with responsibility, and that justice ultimately demands accountability.